Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. I'm Jen and this is Happily Organized Chaos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. So today I thought I would chat a little bit about my Weight Watchers journey and where I am and where I'm going to be going, how I'm going to be going forward in the coming months. So like I said, if you're new and you're not familiar, I've been following Weight Watchers in one program or another for the past 16 years. I started Weight Watchers when I was 20 years old and in university, and a friend of mine saw success on the program. So I had a few, those extra freshman 15 that I wanted to drop, and I thought that I would try the program. I mean, I've been doing this program on and off, like I said, for 16 years. It goes back and dates to one of the original Winning Points programs, and I still have the points finder here. Before the days of apps and online meetings, this is what you had. So the point finder, where you used the dietary fiber, the energy, the calories, and the fat. And that is how you found out your points. So you had to slide it down. So if it had 4 or more fiber and 150 calories and 0 to 3 grams of fat, it was 2 points. So yeah, I still have this and I'm holding on to it for just memories. But anyway, like I said, so I've been following it since then. And I've stopped and started programs here and there along the way. I did not follow Weight Watchers strictly for 16 years, but there were, periods of time where I did. Now, I don't actually go to meetings because when I did, I didn't see success with the program. It's very strange. I'm one of those people that I kind of just, if I go to meetings and I give it 100% and I don't see success. It's very strange, but when I didn't go to meetings and I stuck to program, and I actually had a friend that I am still friends with to this day that I ended up meeting through Dottie's Weight Loss Zone. And if you're in the Weight Watchers community, I'm sure you know about Dottie's Weight Loss Zone. I wish I could remember my username, because when I was in university, I was on DWLZ, DottiesWeightLossZone.com, all the time, and for the life of me I can't think of my username. But I did meet one dear friend on there, and we're still Facebook friends to this day, so it's really nice. It's a great community. But like I was saying, someone sent me this slide from there. She had an extra one and she sent it to me so I could do the program by myself, and I did see success with that. Fast forward to a couple of years ago when I decided I wanted to do Weight Watchers again, and now in the world of apps and technology, I really wanted to try the Smart Points because I was seeing people be successful using the Smart Points. And it's nice how they've updated their programs, because now it's taking into account a lot more healthier foods for you. I always say what you choose to put in your body is like the gas you put in the car. You want to choose the right foods to fuel your body. I say this to kids when I'm teaching them, and they always get a chuckle, but it is true. You want to pick the right foods and the healthy fats and the healthy foods to make you have more energy. So I decided to try the Smart Points program, but I didn't want to commit to meetings because, like I said in the past, I didn't see success when I actually joined or paid. So I found an app on my phone called iTrackBites, and I noticed a lot of other people using it as well. So I'll show you. Is that little blue icon right there, and when you open it, it looks like that. So I am following, I had to backtrack a bit. So back in 2016, when I had to download and pay for this app, I was following Smart Points, and I really, really liked that program because I was allotted 30 Smart Points a day. And then I had so many weeklies, and I had activity points, which you did in the old program as well. I'm one never to really use my activity points because I never know how to, but in any case, I was allotted 30 smart points. A lot of the foods that I would eat were healthier foods. I was trying to eat clean, and I saw great success with that program, dropping close to 35 pounds. And so we're gonna fast forward to today, and this past week, iTrack Bites had introduced their pro membership. And what that was is that you will have access to the new Flex program on their app, which is equivalent to the Freestyle program for Weight Watchers. I want to try, and I have been trying Freestyle independently, like on my own, but what I was noticing is that even though a lot of these 0-point foods that are technically free foods, I think I was overeating them. And now, while it says that you're typically not going to overeat these 0-point foods, because who could overeat plain fat-free Greek yogurt or grilled chicken breast or corn or black beans? Well, I'll tell you who, this girl. I love all those foods, and they were the foods I was eating on Smart Points, and I was counting the points for them. So I can easily overindulge in those items, and the weight wasn't coming off, it was going in the reverse direction, and it was coming on. So because I was trying to do it by tracking on the app, I was finding it difficult. Now that they introduced the Flex program on the app, I went ahead and paid, it was 99 cents American or $1.29 Canadian per month for a year so I paid over a little over $15 for this app, Canadian, and I have access to the Flex, which is my, let's see, my allotted points are 23, and my weeklies start at 32. Now you can roll over points as well, and I rolled over 4 from last night, so I now have 36 weekly remaining points. And so what I like about that is that it will be a lot easier for me to have a cheat day, a cheat meal on Saturday, because I'll have all these weekly points that I won't be using during the week. And I really wanted to try that. So that is why I am going to try the Weight Watchers Freestyle on the iTrack Bites app. I'm looking forward to doing this, and I'm going to do it kind of on a trial basis for me. I'm going to try the Freestyle program for the month of April, and I'll do a check-in video at the end of April and let you know if I lost any weight, how I'm feeling, and my thoughts behind the program for the iTrack Bites app, and what my feelings are with the app versus the meetings, so, or even the Weight Watchers app. I'll try this, and then we'll see how it goes in a month. But this video became a very chatty video, so I'm sorry about that. But if you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. And if you're new and you haven't hit the red subscribe button down below, it would mean the world to me if you did enjoy my YouTube family. Other than that, I don't really have anything else to say, so I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.